Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you enable design or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just click here on advanced here. So then it's going to take you to next CPU. Then you go down, just keep going down here, come here to Fox type in answer. You click here in this sign, then like you say this color show for us, that's me here Fox type in answer, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.